Okay guys, today I'm going to be opening up the RC Explosion box, volume 18. So go ahead and show y'all the key rookies. If you want to, you can pause this if you want to take a look at them. I'll repeat the big guys for every pack I get to, but not going to read the whole list. I'll go through the packs real quick that we got. We have a 1990 Bowman, 1990 Leaf Series 1, got a 1997 Bowman Chrome, probably the one I'm most excited about, 2013 Update Series. You got Christian Yelich in there, 2016 Update Series, and 2017 Series 1. Also have 2018 Heritage High Number, 2018 Series 1, 2019 Series 2, 2020 Bowman. This is the only retail pack. Everything else is hobby. And then you have a 2020 Heritage High Number, or low number, my bad. High Number has not came out yet. Going to get started. Looking for Frank Thomas, Sammy Sosa, Larry Walker, and King Griffey Jr. second year card out of here. And I got a fresh piece of gum. There we go. So Ernie Witt, Dave Winfield, Barry Bonds. Not sure what year it is for him, but don't get any of the guys listed out of there. Up next, 1990 Leaf Series 1, you have a Sammy Sosa rookie and King Griffey Jr. second year. Man, for this series, they sure did fill it good. Oh yeah. Gary Sheffield, Eddie Murray. So none of the guys we're looking for out there either. Up next is 1997 Bowman Chrome. You have a Roy Holiday, Beltre. There's a couple more on there. Those are the two biggest ones. Rob Neen. Oh, sticking together. Oh yeah. Johnson. Eric Milton and Travis Lee. Okay, up next we have 2013 Topps Update. Of course, you got Christian Yelich, Nolan Arenado, Anthony Rendon, Garrett Cole, all are in here. Well, I want to open it too aggressively, carrying the corners. It's like we might have like a mini or something in here. Okay, let's see what we got. We have a mini, like throwback. It's pretty cool. There's a rookie, not the one we're looking for. Carlos Gonzalez, Patrick Corbin, and that's it. So up next is, oh, not in the box over. Okay, 2016 update. You got Blake Snell, Trevor Story, Matreus, Tim Anderson. Bryce Harper card. Keith Urban, first pitch. It's a rookie debut. There's a Kyle Schwarber rookie debut. I guess this is the best one we've got so far. So I'll just slap something up there. Put him up there. Up next we have 2017 Series 1. You have Aaron Judge, Alex Bregman, Mankata, Philmington, and Josh Bell. Mike Trout. Ozuna. So nobody looking for out of there. Up next we have 2018 high number. Acuna, Soto, Torres, Ohtani, they're all in here. I think they all also have action variations and autos in here. This is a hobby pack. Don't think we have anything, but see if you got a rookie in here. Stanton. So, nothing we're looking for out of there. Up next we have 2018 Series 1. You have Devers, Albies, Bueller, Flaherty, they're all in here. Mookie Betts. I've actually got his rookie card out of one of these boxes. RC Explosion boxes. There's an Aaron Judge Gold Cup Future Stars. Wish we would have got him in the last pack. It would have been a rookie card. There's Anthony Rendon. So 3 packs to go. We are up to 2019 Series 2. So of course you got a short print of Vlad, and you have Alonso, Tatis, and Jimenez are your completes the big 4. Got a Duggar throwback. I think this is a let's see. Oh, that's not even a short print. I thought he was our short print. It's just a regular card. So, haven't got really anything in this box, but they're all, this is a hit and miss. You either hit big or don't hit anything. But we have a 2020 Bowman. This is a retail. Yeah, of course, you Jason Dominguez, Bobby Witt Jr., Paulson. Luis Robert rookie card. Our chromes are Shane Baz and Sanchez. So up to our last pack. See if it can redeem us. 2020 Topps Heritage. You got the parallels of Alvarez, Lux, and Bo Bichette. Cody Bellinger, Mike Trout. I think Mike Trout's actually a short print, if I'm not mistaken. I believe over 400 is a short print, and that was over 400. So, that was a rough box, I would say. But do a quick review, a recap. We got a Robert rookie card out of the Bowman. Got a future star of Judge. Our only decent rookie card we got that I think is Kyle Schwarber rookie debut. And this isn't a rookie, but I believe this is a short print Mike Trout. So it's not bad. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.